Hey everyone, good morning. It's Eastbound Cadillac and it's Lars. I'm in the 85 Eldorado and I'm heading over to Eastbound Shine to drop off the car, and he is going to give it a polish. It's been sitting in the underground parkade for a number of years and the paint is dull and chalky. So I'm going to drop it off in good hands and get him to work his wonders on it, and let's see how it looks in a few hours. Well, a few hours later, and here it is. So I had the car polished up with Eastbound Shine, and this is a lacquer paint job. Yeah, and it looks not too bad. So the trunk pull down motor needs to be replaced. I've looked that over. That's why the trunk lid is not closing. Right now that Continental kit is keeping the trunk lid closed. So that's why it's not coming off. Until I get the pull down motor, and we'll get the trunk working and we'll see what happens to the Continental kit after. But here it is. It's looking not too bad of a shine. Bit of the interior. It's the Barrett's model with the stainless roof. There you go. Barrett's. Would have liked to have got to more of a shine on the hood, but that's something I'll work on. I'll do, work on that myself. You can see I've added the medallion that came off the green 1968 Eldorado. Took that off before I sold it. And coming around onto the passenger side. So not bad for an original car. It has 69,000 kilometers on it. I think that's about 42,000 miles. And again, the pull down is not working, so the trunk is not completely closed. The back view. Couple of little missing pieces over there. That just happened during the polishing. I guess his polisher wheel hit the rubber bumper filler there and knocked off a couple of pieces. I saved them and I have them in the trunk, and I'll try to glue them back together. Still need to get the hubcap locking keys. Still have to figure that out, but yeah, all in time. I think the front end of these cars looks really good. I like the squared off rectangular look of the front end of these cars. Very similar in a way to the 78 Eldorado. That gorgeous back seat. I got my portable Bluetooth Marshall speaker in the back there. Coming around to the dashboard. Well, there you go. That's my 1985 Eldorado Barrett's. fresh from the polish and wax. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, as I'll be putting out more videos over time now. You know, I've been growing the Instagram account at East Van Cadillac, and now it's time to make some more videos and put videos up as well. One last shot of the interior. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and we'll talk next time.